This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Continue 1/4 mile to the end of the street, then turn left. Turn left on Cross Road, then turn right.
September 26, 2018. This one here I got a call for some guy I worked for in the past. He got a tenant that has banging noise coming from the kitchen sink faucet. That it's a banging noise, so I'll go over there and see what's going on. Sometimes it's the diverter that does that, or a loose washer. But I'm on my way over there now. We'll see what's happening.
Turn right on State Road.
Well, we got her first shots yesterday at the vet. I mean, she was very, quite the diva. After her shots, I couldn't even pick her up. She'd be screaming like a stuck pig.
Turn right on County Street.
But she's better today. She's only a tiny thing. I mean, she don't like shots. Gotta get her vaccinations, I guess, you know. But she's better today. She wasn't doing so well yesterday after the shots. Just the hot. That's odd. Alright, let me get my tools and we'll figure it out. Water off, take it apart and see what we can do. There it is. No, it's off. I mean, it's not the greatest rig in the world here. No work for you today?
Nah, I'm working in the afternoon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. $2 o'clock, I'm gonna start at 2 o'clock.
I'll give it the old open it up, see if we get a little flush action here. Probably gonna have to change it. Yeah, you could hear hear that washer flapping.
Yeah, yeah.
It's loose in there.
Yeah.
See that washer? I'm gonna have to take it apart. I think that's what the problem is. We'll shut the water off and take it apart underneath here at the valve. I'll always double check for you. open anything up, man. You get a flipping flood. I don't know. We just shut the main off. I don't know where the problem is. We just shut the main house off. Boom. Right there. That's the main. Shut it off. A little dark down here. Kind of odd. I got all 3 water heaters shut off, and I'm still getting flow. I don't know. This one here is strictly for this, so I don't think it's that. I don't know. Should be off now. It's off now. Had to shut the whole house off.
Yep.
Something's up. Humid today, huh? Wow. Crazy. It's probably got washers just floating around in there. I think that's what we're gonna check anyway. Hopefully nobody goes down there and turns that water on.
Nah, nobody.
Nobody's home?
Maybe downstairs people don't you don't know.
I hope not. Look at that. I think that was it. That knob of stuff on there. That knob. Wow, there's a lot of cholesterol in there. Huh? The wash is still okay. Yeah, could be some kind of check valve with the diverter in there that's giving us a problem. Put it back together and try it. If that don't work, I'll just change the faucet, and that's all. Crazy. Kind of weird that it's just on the hot, not the cold. You know? What's this aerator, maybe? Maybe it was this aerator he had on there. No more leaks. No more noise.
No.
So, must have just been a little bit of sediment in there making a whistling action. Very weird. Make sure we got no leaks here. So there was a lot of sediment in there. All the mucky stuff. Oh.
You have to put them on.
Isn't that weird? Alright, got a brand new faucet in there now. No more banging. That was kind of an odd one. Wouldn't have been able to even get parts for that other faucet anyway. Alright, I don't see any leaks. And I did tape that over there, because if not, it's going to fetch up right here. I taped your hose over to the side there so it doesn't get fetched up on the faucet, you know.